Hello everyone, welcome to Photo A. In this video you're going to learn how to set up your folders in the J Drive. The first thing you're going to do is open up your iDrive. You should see the student save on your desktop. I don't have it for some reason, so I have to open my iDrive and then go on to the left side and open up the Senior Save J Drive folder. My name is Gail, and you are going to open up the hour that you're in. If you're hour 3, open up the hour 3 folder. Then you go to the top left corner, and if you float your mouse over the vanilla envelope, it says new folder, so you're going to click on that, and you're going to create your folder with your first and your last name. Double click on your folder, and you're going to make 3 more folders. The first unit we're going to do is the hall pass. And once I type the information, I click underneath it to close that out. Then we're going to do portraits. And then the last, we'll do black and white. And then the last one we'll do is social justice. Those are your 4 folders. You should always keep your files saved in the J Drive and save them under what unit we're working on. It's really important in photography to keep your files organized in different folders because you'll have hundreds of photos going in and out from your J Drive to your Google Drive. Thank you.